Hi, and welcome once again. This is the Mermaid Beach in Guarapari, Espírito Santo, Brazil. It's got this very small lagoon with crystal clear water, transparent. And now if you look further to the left of the screen, on the top, that's the Bacutia Beach, just by the green hill over there. And you can see now this water, although it's a bit windy that day, it's a beautiful color of the Atlantic Ocean right there, and some birds around. Apparently they were curious with the drone. The water is crystal clear, and it's an awesome view. It's really beautiful. And going back into the land and towards the rocks, you can see the waves crashing into the rocks, and it shows again the Mermaid Beach. That's where that small stretch of sand is, and ending with a 360. Now it starts to show the Mansion 300 all the way to the end there, and moving into the screen you can see the Mermaid Beach, a beautiful beach with great seafood restaurants. And now you'll see the Confessions Beach. Then the next beach is going to be the Preacher's Beach, and it ends with the Bacutia Beach. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe.